Okay, we shall start without waiting. All right, so this is a revision format. Okay, let's start with question 1. Same, I want you to put all your responses inside here. Okay. Yeah, why is it so? Never you try to key in now. Many of them also. Hao Qian, can you key in your answers now? Key in the answer into the system. Xingyi, you try again. See that helps. Just key in first. Key in everything. Okay. Remus, Irene. I will go on with the lesson first. Okay, then the rest who are coming, I'll just let them enter. Okay. Lisa cut so much of a string from a ball, and Siti cut a length of this longer than hers, and the remaining is 2 times the total. What is the original length? Okay, so first thing is, this is a ball of string. Okay, this is a ball string. Yeah, it is something like that. And this is like that. Okay, so what Lisa did is he cut 9.25 meters of string here. Okay, and Siti cut a length of this one longer than Lisa. So he could be the same, but 3.6 meters longer here. So this one is by Lisa, by Siti. Okay, let me check who is at the door. Gladys. Okay. Then after that, if the remaining length of the ball, okay, so I have that for Lisa, yes. Siti is longer. Okay, I got them for Lisa. And this remaining here is 2 times the total. Okay, 2 times the total length cut by them. So what is the total for here? It will be 3.6, 9.25, and 9.25. Okay, yeah. So I add them up. Do not draw anything on the PowerPoint because you will not be able to save it. Yeah, so it's not that I don't let you do it because they will not it will not be saved lah. That's the thing. 2 times of what? 2 times of 22.1. Okay. So 2 times of 22.1 will be 44. So what is the original length is, you must plug back your 22.1, that gives you 66.3. Yeah, you are right, 66.3. Yeah, okay. So this one to here, all in all, you add up. Okay, can you turn on all your video, Remus? Yeah. 认为 turn on all videos. Yeah, if you don't turn on, tell me reasons why. Don't tell me not fix. You're supposed to fix it over all the weekends. So many weeks already, Number 2, the figure is not drawn to scale, but it is made up of P, Q. They are both squares. 1/4 of P is shaded. So when this is 1/4, so this one must be 3 units for the unshaded because 4 units here. Okay, P must be 4 units. And 1 unit is shaded. 2/9 of Q. 2/9 of Q is shaded. So this one will be 2 times and Q will be 9 times. So meaning to say this is 7 times. So I can convert this to two unit also. So I multiply this by 2, I multiply this by 2, I get 6U and I get 2U. So technically the shaded part is 2U, okay? So this will be 8U. So what is the percentage of the figure that is shaded? So for this total units, I will have 6 plus 2 plus 7, I get to 15 units. And I have the shaded part, which is 2 units out of the percentage of the figure, which is 15 units. So I convert it into percentage, which will give me 2 over 15, which is 13 and 1/3 of it. Okay. All right. Which is at C. Okay. Question number 3. Let's take a look at question. Okay. For those who are with me, just arrived. We are now at question 3. Okay. Now, Daniel is 16 years old and his father is 3 times as old as he is. I must multiply by 3. So the dad will be 48 years old. All right. So what is their diff in the age will be 1 unit here, right? Which the difference in age must remain constant, right? Okay. Why? Because they grow up the same way. They +1, everyone must +1. +2, everyone +2. So each year they grow up, they +1, but the age difference remain constant. So you have 48 minus 16, that gives you 32. And this difference in unit is also 1. So meaning to say this is 1 unit. Okay. So if this is 1 unit, I need to find my 2 unit, which is 64. Okay, so his age must be 64 for the father. For him to become 64, now 48. So you must minus 48, that will give you 4 minus 48, that will give you 16 years later. Okay, that should be the answer for B. Okay, so far okay now. For those who have not entered your answers into the system, I would want you to key in all the answers now. I'll be checking your assignment because I noticed that many of them didn't do it. All right, Gladys, go and do it now. Jervin also. Jaden also, go and do it. Hey, Jaden did already. Sorry, Jaden, you did. Jervin, do that. You didn't do the boys, Ray Yu and Ray Wei, key into the system. Okay. Ramus did already. But Ramus, I understand you have a few. I was ma. So now can do or not? Okay. Yeah, well now go into Xingyi, thank you. Howie, you also have not Okay, you're now in the car You have your answers with you or not? If you don't have, then go back and then key in now. Okay. When you reach home, you text me lah. I mean, not text me, text the chat function there. Okay. Just listen. You don't need to look at the screen. Otherwise, later you motion sickness. Okay. All right. Kai Han. Kai Han, what is your name for registered? Because I didn't have Kai Han in the list. Change your name, Ken. Oh, you poor thing. Okay. How can go and drink more water? To Kai Han. Kai Han, I didn't have your name in the registered. Oh, Kai Han, you haven't did your work. You haven't do your work. So that's why I think I know why. Key into the system now. Sing Ray also. Irene. Irene also. I didn't see your homework. Did you do? Key in already? Just only is it this? Because I checked this morning, there isn't. Okay. All right. So I'm going to next question 4. Okay. Josephine prepared 7-8 liters of the orange juice and the children drank 3/5 of it. This one I noticed something. 3/5 fraction. This one since January, they don't not say January. This March, I say already, fraction of a set. That means this is a fraction of a quantity. The quantity is liter. Okay. And then 3/5 of it. So meaning to say is 3/5 multiplied by 7/8, which is 21/40 liters. And this is being drank away. Drink it up already. So now the thing is, you need to minus away the from here. Okay, so 21 over this. Okay, so you should be left with, is it 720? I don't know. 7 minus answer. Okay. 7/8 minus 21/40, 720. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Okay, 7/20. Now, also can do this, For method number 2, what you can do is, why so untidy? Okay, method number 2, since this is 3/5, right? 1 whole minus 3/5 is 2/5. Then you use 2/5 to multiply by the 7/8. Okay, so 7/20. This one is a little bit easier. Okay, all right. Okay, we enter them. So far, okay? Can run away. Don't give me the angry bird, angry cat leh. Please turn on your camera. Okay, Miniat, you need to turn on the video. Thank you. Gerald. Yeah, Gerald, turn on your camera. I got multitask. Then see here, see there, see so many things. Okay, please cooperate. 7/20. Thank you. Okay. Next question. For Rui Wei and Rui Yu, you can actually respond your answer to the chat function also. Because I'm not able to keep your writing. That's the thing, huh? Elvis and Frieden shared the total cost of a present. Elvis paid 3/8. All right. 3/8 means 3 out of 8. So meaning to say the cost of the present itself, okay, it can be 8 units, right now. So it is split into Elvis and Frieden, where Elvis paid 3/8 of it, and Frieden paid only 5 units. So the difference is 2 units. Who has more? F. Right? F, 2 units more. And we call this the difference. And this is 28 divided by 2 is equals to 14. And I need to 8 times 14 because I need to look for 8, right? So 14 times 8 should be 112 for this reason. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Gerald. Yes, very good. Okay. Next one. Question number 6. Okay. In the diagram, this is a straight line. SOT is 12. TOQ. Sorry, TOU is 148. 5 other OU, that means this is the one that you're looking for. Okay, so you have 148.